Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to check out how to download Adobe Photoshop for free on your PC or Mac. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll show you the steps one by one and I'll keep it simple. Let's get started. Step 1. Click the link in the description below. It will take you to Adobe's official website. Step 2. Choose your country from the drop-down menu. Then click on Start Free Trial. Step 3. You'll see 3 plan options: individual, business, and students and teachers. If you're using it on a single device, go with the individual plan. This gives you a 14-day free trial of Photoshop and also a 30-day free trial of Adobe Stock. Click Continue to move on. Step 4. Enter your email address, then click Continue. Fill in your name and payment details. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the trial ends. Step 5. Click on Agree and Subscribe. Step 6. Now, click the second link in the description. It will take you to the Creative Cloud app download page. Download and install the app on your computer. Step 7. Open Creative Cloud and log in with the same email you used earlier. Go to the Apps section. Look for Photoshop and click Install. And that's it. Now you have Photoshop installed and ready to use for free during your trial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Have a great day.